Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. Drone surveys in mining and stockpile measurements. The mining industry is one of the sectors that has greatly benefited from drone surveying technology. Mining operations often involve large areas, complex terrain, and continuous changes in the landscape due to excavation and material movement. Traditional surveying methods in mines can be time consuming, expensive, and sometimes dangerous. Drones provide a faster, safer, and more efficient way to collect accurate data for mining operations. Let's explore how drones are used in mining surveys and stockpile measurement. Mapping large mining areas. Mining sites can cover hundreds or even thousands of acres. Surveying such large areas using traditional ground based methods can require significant time and manpower. Drones can quickly fly over the entire mining site and capture high resolution aerial images. These images are processed into orthomosaic maps and elevation models that provide a clear overview of the mining operation. These maps help mining companies monitor excavation progress, site layout, and land changes over time. Stockpile volume measurement. One of the most common applications of drones in mining is measuring stockpile volumes. Stockpiles are large piles of materials such as coal, sand, gravel, minerals, construction aggregates, etc. etc. Accurately measuring the volume of these materials is essential for inventory management, financial reporting, and operational planning. Using drone generated elevation models, surveyors can calculate the exact volume of a stockpile by analyzing the difference between the pile surface and the ground beneath it. This process is much faster and more accurate than traditional manual measurements. Monitoring excavation and terrain changes. Mining operations constantly change the landscape as materials are extracted. Drone surveys allow mining companies to monitor these changes regularly. By comparing drone maps from different dates, engineers can track how the terrain evolves over time. This information helps with production planning, safety monitoring, and environmental management. Improving safety in mining operations. Mining sites can contain steep slopes, unstable surfaces, and heavy machinery, making some areas difficult or dangerous to access. Drone allows surveyors to collect aerial data without physically entering hazardous areas. This significantly improves safety for personnel working in mining environments. High resolution data for decision making. Drone surveys provide highly detailed aerial imagery and elevation data. This information helps mining companies make better decisions related to resource extraction planning, equipment placement, environmental monitoring, land rehabilitation after mining operations. Faster survey turnaround. Traditional mine surveys may take several days to complete. With drones, large mining areas can often be surveyed in a few hours, and the process data can be available shortly after. This faster turnaround allows mining companies to respond quickly to operational changes. Drone surveying has become an essential tool in modern mining operations. It allows companies to map large areas, measure stockpiles accurately, monitor terrain changes, and improve safety. By combining aerial imagery with advanced mapping software, drones provide mining professionals with powerful insights that improve efficiency and operational planning. In the next lecture, we will explore another growing application of drone surveying using drone mapping in agriculture and environmental monitoring. Thank you.